Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical. No one better to talk about law enforcement shotguns with than my ex-cop buddy, Jeremy Stafford. We're looking at the new Mossberg law enforcement. What models are these? The 590s?
These are our RMs, 590RMs. And it is a partnership with Chisel Manufacturing. So I want to talk real quick about that guy right there, because this is pretty exciting for us in that the breacher that we had that I showed you a couple of years ago that we built for, I'm allowed to say it now, for the Brits.
Right.
There was a lot that went into that, and it made it a very expensive gun. With the advent of our RM, and the reason we go to the magazine is because we can give 6 rounds on a breaching gun, which is a big deal.
Right, and that's the other thing that I just want to address right now, because there are some people out there that are like, man, oh, that's so dumb. Why would you do like a magazine fed? It's kind of a game changer when you're talking about a stubby gun like this, where you're going to get like 3 in the tube and 1. You go from 4 to being able to put
6
this thing,
10.
like 10 in there, and reload in a much more rapid fashion than stuff in the tube. So it is kind of a game changer for shorter barrel guns.
And it's important because people, I don't think a lot of times people realize that when we're talking about like active shooter mitigation, things like that, where people are going to have to be moving through structures quickly. You're not going to have time to set up. You're not going to have time for mechanical breaching. You're not going to have time for explosive breaching. It's going to be a dude with one of these who's able to access through doors,
right,
to keep going, to take the fight to that bad guy.
And that's what you guys really were contacted for by the British military to do exactly this.
That was exactly that. And then this is one of those things that's kind of migrated over from the mill side to the LE side, as far as the ability to breach quickly and breach multiple doors. So what we did was we took our RM and we gave it our professional treatment. So it's not just Cerakote, it's going through the internal parts. It's making sure that we don't have tolerance stacking issues. It's 2 or 3 layers now more of quality assurance. It is our partnership with Chisel so that we can go with the pistol grip and the AR style safety. And we're able to do it because it doesn't need to be jump safe. Like, nobody's parachuting out of a plane with this. So a lot of the testing that we did on the British gun, we don't have to do with this one. And we're able to offer a very competent, we think it's the best breacher on the market, shy of that SAS version. We think it's the best breacher on the market, and agencies are going to be able to get it for less than $1,000, right around $1,000, just under. And
looking at the features here, with the Chisel partnership, I've got call it a rear trunnion here that gives me a standard pick rail rear, so I can put basically whatever stock I want it, whatever AR-15 grip I want it. You have optics mounting up here, a couple little screws. Is there like an optics plate under here?
I believe that Chisel offers a slightly like a riser for that.
Yes, that's correct. I'm 99% sure that's right. Yeah.
Right, but when we engineered the RM series, you'll notice that unlike most shotguns that take a folding stock or a collapsible stock, this one gives you that straight line.
Right. Exactly.
So you don't need a riser anymore because you're not trying to overcome the drop comb at the rear of the shotgun. So it's a much more AR friendly. Somebody who's had AR training is going to pick this up and feel very comfortable getting a cheek weld on it. It's not going to beat the crap out of your chin or your cheek. You're going to be able to get a good cheek weld, and you're going to be able to put whatever optic you want on it on whatever riser height you want it.
Then we've got a really well thought out handguard, a pump on here that's like, you're talking, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 8 or 10 M-LOK slots on it?
Yeah, it's a lot, and I'll be honest.
Probably not necessary, but it's nice to have.
Not necessary, nice to have. It definitely takes training. If you're going to put something on that and you're going to rock it, you're going to have to understand how to mitigate that recoil for sure. Otherwise, it's going to beat your hand up.
Right.
But it's important to have because there's not a lot of real estate up here.
Yeah, sure.
You know what I mean?
Of course.
And you'll also notice that it has our new barrel nut, which has the QD attachment in the front. So on a guy like this, we can have slung at the rear, slung at the front, or you can just go to the rear and just have it as a single point.
Right.
So depending if it's a breacher or something that you're going to get a little more kinetic with.
Right, and that's exactly where I was about to go with this. So I see we've got a breacher barrel option, and then just like that. Now, we talked about this barrel before the camera started rolling. This one has choke threads because
we anticipate that this is going to be very popular with people that like to suppress their guns.
Yes.
So there's several companies that make really good shotgun suppressors now, and I know you've shot suppressed shotguns before.
Yeah.
It changes. It is a game changer.
Awesome, yeah.
And now with the no $200 tax on that,
right.
We anticipate a lot of people migrating towards that. So it takes that recoil, and I don't have a percentage, but you can start pumping this thing so fast that you induce your own malfunctions because you're not having to overcome the amount of recoil that you're used to traditionally having.
Jeremy pumps it super fast. So what are we talking about?
And there's not a lot of real estate.
How much is this going to cost? Well, first, is this going to be available to civilians at all at any point?
Yeah, we don't look.
You guys don't do that shit where it's like you only sell to
No, we sell to everybody. Now, certain distributors
that's their prerogative.
carry more LE style guns than other ones, so it might not be the easiest gun to find, but we'll sell it to any of our distributors. We go through distribution, and we want people to be able to buy it.
MSRP on this one?
$12.25.
Okay, that is really not bad for what you're getting. And then what about this one?
I think $14.35.
Okay.
So in this one, because it has the stock on it.
Right. And you're folding stock with like your Mossberg AR style stock. This will work like standard AR styles.
Yeah, if you want a mag pull, whatever, it's gonna fit right on there. You're gonna be able to rock and roll.
And you're calling these what? The 590RM?
Yeah. So this is gonna be the RM Chisel, and this is, I believe we refer to it as our Class 3 because it is a stubby, and that is our LE professional breacher.
Okay, well look, Jeremy, speaking of professional, always great to have you on the program. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We're bringing you more from SHOT Show 2026. Take care.